Oh, here we go. Call that a knife?
Here, this one's a small.
You call that a knife? This is a knife.
A spoon. I see you've played knife with spoon before.
What's up, guys? We are here at Busselton foreshore, and we are going to visit the most visited area, which would be that long ass wooden jetty. It is the longest jetty in the southern hemisphere, 1,841 meters. So we're gonna get our tickets, hop on the train, and go down the longest jetty in the southern hemisphere. The second longest jetty in the world. This is where we are. This is the end of it.
I'll give you your ticket stamp. Welcome.
So we decided to go 50% lazy ass. We're gonna take the train out to the very end of the jetty, visit the underwater observatory, but coming back, we will walk back each and every one of those 1,841 meters. So it's a compromise. But first I need to find Ling because she's getting her cafe. Looks like it's gonna start hissing rain any second now.
There it is.
There it is. We just saw a nice flash of lightning over there. It looks like all the storm is heading in the direction of the end of that jetty that we're gonna be heading out to in like 10 minutes.
Men are more likely to get struck by lightning than women.
Well, time to tuck the penis in between my legs. You think that's enough? Hogwarts Express. Not the best time to walk back. Apartment 5.
And hopefully by the time we get to the other end, this rain would have passed over and we'll be back in the sunshine. We'll keep our fingers crossed.
Are we there yet? Heading into the abyss, the underwater observatory. Time to go.
Scared me, actually.
Yeah.
And jellyfish.
I thought it was a smudge on the window. It's actually a jellyfish. A little jellyfish,
A stinger.
Well, well, well. Look who decided to show up. The solar jetty train. We will not be taking that beautiful red train behind us. We are gonna walk back, because that's what you do when you've got 1,841 meters of jetty underneath you. All right, so the goal right now is to try to beat the train before it gets back to the end of the pier. Travels at about 6 kilometers per hour. We could totally do it. Bye, train. We'll see you on the other side. Okay, I think we're about halfway. No sign of the train yet, so let's just keep going. All right, we've pretty much made it to the end. That train has left the station and is slowly making its way over here. I think a better challenge would have been to just leave at the same time. That would have been a jogging pace at least. It's almost noon. Have not eaten anything today, so looking forward to hitting up the market, getting some good food, and maybe a cold beer. Look at that, you beat the train, mate.
Yeah.
Did you leave at the same time as the train?
No, but I took the time to stop and read all the signs.
And you still beat the train.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Now
Good on ya. I'm hungry, let's get food.
Oh, I want to take a picture, but the guy's like literally right there.
The policia, don't hit the car, eh? I don't feel like getting arrested in Busselton. People don't get shot by police in, well, I don't know about Australia, but yeah, definitely not in Busselton. All right, here we are, the Origins Market. House of Pinoy. Look at that, they got the bopis, the beef caldereta. Oh, hello. Pinoy ulam, menudo, crispy pata, but they're closed. Too bad.
You like spicy or no spicy?
Spicy's fine.
Spicy fine, yeah.
Yeah, the crispy pork belly.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's your order number.
Now we could grab ourselves a nice cold brew here at Homestead.
You can have a taste.
Yeah, I'll have a taste of it.
It's like a more like a champagne kind of bubbly. And
yeah.
have a sourness. So
You like sour beers.
That might be something I like actually.
You will, yeah, sure, you will like to try that. That's good. No? I think I'll just go with the Australian ale.
Yeah, would you like a pint or just a glass?
Pint, please. Yeah. All right, got my Australian ale. Ling's got her Josephine bitter Weiss.
Oh, mine's ready.
Awesome, thank you.
To the good life.
To the good life.
To the German word for young girl being neutral.
That pork belly is crispy. Pork
We literally
belly.
got the same meal, just different sauce.
Yeah, my pork belly's from Vietnam. Yours is from Korea. Listen to this crunch. BT dubs. Sound on. Crispy pork belly skin. Delicious Vietnamese. Get ready for the crunch, baby. Oh, it was like a soft crunch. This was like a polite crunch. It's like when you think you're gonna release a big fart and it comes out as just a little like puff of air.
It's better than the reverse.
It's better than shitting your pants, is what Ling's saying.
It's better than expecting the small one and then shitting your pants.